So what I think here to do is better is to create a new HTTP code. So here this is a network and code, and I need to add something that is not related to normal HTTP response code or HTML error code. So here I'm going to create a new one, and this is 600. And now I need to add this string here. And app name, there's an error here. It's not translated in Spanish because Spanish here and here. Paging example 1 is the name is the same for full versions. So here so 600 and unexpected HTTP code, unexpected HTTP response code, unexpected HTTP response code. Name is not translated in Spanish. Okay. Código HTTP no esperado. But because I need here a comma, so now I can add here this method here. So this is 600. So this is 200, 400. I need here a 401. This is 401. So now I can, there's still an error. I can find it. So missing return statement, maybe final, field customer, expression get customer might evaluate to null, but it is returned, parameter row type is never used, duplicate branch switch, refresh, append, and default. I think I need to change this error here, and this exception probably belongs to my view package. So here this a Java exception, and I need to create here a new one. So here this exception belongs to the view package. So here Java class, and this is exception. This extends runtime exception. I think I don't need here a checked exception because I am not going to use it in a method. And here in this case I need private int, and this is a string resource. So this message ID, and this is a string resource. I need this here in my constructor code, generate constructor. Generate constructor. Okay, now I need here I get message method. Remember that to get the message out of this class, we will need the context. So here, this is not an override. Here, context. So here, to get the message, I need the context dot get string, and here I need the message ID. So now I can use this here. This is here. Or not string. I don't have this message here, but this is this is a load type error. Load type not expected or null. Wrong long type. I think it's a load type error. Load type error and load type error. So here it is. Load type error. So now I can, what is this error? Add return statement, because I need this, so 200, 400, 401, 500, 503, an unexpected error. And I can get my data here, so return, and this is a backend service dot get customers dot I think I'll go here with a flat map, and this is I need this to run in another thread, so let me add this here. So here new function response here, and I'll change this to its lambda equivalence, or and I'll change what I'm doing. I think doing this is not right because I'm returning the customers here, so keep here. I need to save this information to the database. So this is my repository, customers repository dot, and I need to return this customers repository dot I don't have a method here to save this info, but first I think I need to add a new method here in my repository, and this is to save refresh refresh customers table. Here I'll need the response dot body dot get customers, and I need to save the links too, so body dot get page links. I need to save this data sets in the database, so I think this is null. Method invocation get customers may produce null pointer exceptions, so I need to here to get a reference here. So here response at get customers. Here I need to list. Select list of customer. Customers, and this equal to response, and here I need customers. Here these are page links. Page links. here I need this, and so if customers equals null, or page links equals null, here I need to return, if this is not null, I need to return out of here. So if I need to return an error here, I think I need to add here another response code. So here I would return customers and page links. This is an error because this is null. It is probably something related empty. So this is empty response, HTTP empty response code here, and log type error, not translated in Spanish. So this is HTTP response, HTTP response, empty response, HTTP empty response, HTTP empty response, and no payload. The HTTP response is empty, or there's no payload available. I think I'll go with this. So here in string and add this here. So this is error de carga and la respuesta está vacía. So now I can use this error here. I think this is new code. I think I'll use here 700. C700. So I need to change load type. There's a type of load type. Save load type to directioner load type. I think I need to do a refactor here, and I have to change this to 700. And I do here a refactor, so rename, cancel, this is our refactor, rename, I think I'll add here this refactor, and I need to add this here to my Spanish version. So here, load type error, and this is 700. So now I can create this method in my customers repository, create method. Something that extends mediator result error. And so here I need single. So here, I think I need to run this in a transaction. So database, I need to return new single, return single dot create new. This is I should return here an integer. Integer. So here, just running transaction, new callable. I need to return here an integer, and I need to overwrite the only method here call. And this is a running transaction. I need to return something here. So here, so here I'm going to start with a number. So int counter starts at 0. So here now I need to database dot get customers DAO dot because this is a refresh. I need to clear the table, and I need to add this to my count. I think I need a try catch block because this thing could probably throw an exception. So try catch exception. So I need to move this code here. Counter plus equals. So here, if there's an error, I think I should emitter that on error, and I need to create here another exception, and this belongs to my data package. So here, new Java class database transaction. So database transaction exception, and I need to add this here. So here I can throw a new, I need a string error here. This is a transaction error. Database transaction error, and here is database transaction error. New database transaction error, and this is r.string dot database transaction error. So here counter database, so get customers clear get database that get customers DAO dot insert at all. So my customers, and I need to add this to my counter. So I think this is an array, so length. You need to clear the page link, so get metadata and get page links DAO dot page links. I think I can the element here is going to be replaced, so I think I can send the page link. So let me check here. So this, yeah, it's going to be replaced. So I need to change here the table name. This, I think I need to do this here. So here I need to change. What is this? Make get customers return single. So here I need to add the table to my page links before I send it to my repository. So here page links dot set the table name or the ID, set table name, and this is customer dot constants that customer's table name, set table name. So my table name, yeah, the table name is the ID, right? So I can change the ID, so this can be replaced in my repositories, and I can go back here and here. Now I can change this to its lambda equivalent. So the customer's DAO clear at all. Replace this page links, and now I need to add here the last time this table was updated. So database dot metadata dot updated at here I need to insert a new metadata. This it is also going to be replaced. Here add, I don't have a metadata here, so new metadata, and here I need I think the table name and the a date here, yeah, date along table name. Okay, so now I can, this is constants dot this is the customer's table name, comma, and this is system dot current time milliseconds, and this is going to be replaced if we have a record already there. Counter plus equals implicit cast from long to int in compound assignment can be lossy cast expression to int, and I think I can move this down here so this is more legible. So now I can return my counter. I'm not going to use this value. Should I emit this in return? So here so on return counter I need here a result value, right? So here int result 0 and assign this to this, so result equals this. Now I can emit this emitter dot on success result. I don't know what number it is, but this would be correct if it returns a number greater than 0. That means that we affected the database, or we changed the database, these tables. So I think emitter dot emit raw user parameter slash, I think this is integer. So now I can change this to its lambda, remove redundant cast. I think now I can go back here and return a single. I think this should run in a background thread. And here I'm expecting an error, right? If I throw this exception, now I can here that on error return item on error return on error assume with on error complete on error assume next. No, I need to return clear an item, but I am not going to return this. Find calls, method invocation, set table name, well produced, null pointer exception. No, because if I got to here, that means that this is not null, right? So this is not possible. Page link, if it's not null, yeah, I should probably know. So if it's not, no, because this is, if this is equal to null, if this is null or this is null, then I'm returning an exception. So this is equal to null, or this is equal to null. So now if it's not null, we set in the name of this page links object. So here I need to return this is new remote mediator dot success. No, this is an error too, right? Error. Error. I need to import this package. And here, I think it's a new database transaction exception. Is r.string dot database transaction error. This is not expecting this flat map of what a response. I need here to return immediate results. So here, I don't know what is happening here. I need on error that trust some bit that's subscribed on. Comma or expected. Okay, here I need another parenthesis. So here now I can return. So here I save the response to my database. Now I need to return a mediator. So here, if I need to check to get the page out of this. So remember that here the response is returning a page links. So I need the next page. So here string page, and this is equal to my page links. So this is always the next page. Remember that here we are. So here we are returning the first page in the table. And remember that this is a refresh, and I need here to return the next page. And it depends on the response. If in the response there is a next page. So here, what this is returning, if I go, oh shoot. So here, if I am returning, where is it here? So remember that here, so remember that this is what we expecting. This is just a string that contains a URL. The last part of the response is contains the page. It's just a base64 URL encoded string. So if I remember that, because this is a page, this will contain a null value here. So this what is returning, this is a base64 URL encoded. So this is null because there is no previous page, because this is the previous. This is the first page. And for the next page, we can find something very similar, but in this case, we are going to get the ID of the next element, or the next page first element. So in this case, is 21. So here, I need to parse that string to get the page out of there. So for this, I need to create here a new class. So here, new class, and this is a helper class. It's a pretty generic name. Helper class. And this is a final class. We don't need this class to be extended, so final class. And now I need here a private constructor, so nobody can create an instance of this class. So this is private, and now I need here to return the ID, of the page. Let me close this. So here I need to get the ID out of this, so probably change this to ID. Page ID. And this is helper class. Dot get ID from URL. Get page ID. Get page ID from URL. So I can create this method here, and I need here to parse the string. Remember, here I am getting the page link, the next page. So this is a URL. So here, what I need to do here is string page. This is, remember that this is what we get. This is something like this. So here I need to get the page. I need to get the string. So this is URL that substring and this is, I need the index of the last equal symbol. So substring here URL dot last index of equals, and now I need to move one position to get to the start of the string, +1. So this is a page string, this string. Now I need to get a string out of this. So this is a page decoded page, and this is equal to base64. This is androids dot decode. Here I need a string, which is page, and here I need base64 default string provided a byte. This returns an array of bytes, so byte. So now I can create a new string. So string ID equals page ID, and this is equal to new string, and here I need the bytes, so decoded bytes, decoded page, and here I need here I need this is a car set, and here I need a UTF-8 car sets. Here I think it's car sets plural, car sets.utf8. So now I can return this. So return so we get the URL. I need to get here the page, so last index of equal +1, then get the base64 decoded string out of that page, and this base64 default decoded, and create a new string. Okay, so now I can get page. If this page I need here so if this page ID contains null, so this is if this is null, then I can return I need to return a media error success with that could probably mean that we got to the end of the paging. So here I need error success, new mediator result success, and here we got to the end of pagination. If we got to the end of the, because this is the first page, we are getting for the previous page null, right? If we got to the end of the table, that means that the next page will contain a null as an IDE, as the ID, like this. So that means that we got to the end of the pagination. I need to return the end of pagination is true. And if not, I can return false, right? They're still scrolling or paging elements. So this is false. So now I think this is all I need here. Now I need I think I'll work with this method in the next video. So thank you so much for watching.